Hello everyone, good day. I am Anish and welcome to Technomite Anish and let's get started. So today we are going to see about two websites in which we can learn coding for absolutely free. If you want to learn block-based coding or text-based coding, you can learn. If you want to create an app or game, anything you can create in them. Or if you want to learn HTML, Python, JavaScript or anything, you can learn in them. If you want to learn turtle programming or artificial intelligence programming, you can learn in them for absolutely free, and they are supported by Google and Microsoft. So let's see what are them. And number one, the free best website is studio.code.org. So here they teach block-based coding, and you also have text-based coding, which is very nice. And actually, I use block-based coding because in future I think so that text-based coding will not be there. So if you want to learn text-based, then also no problem. They will it will be there, and they also provide you certificate if you do these courses: Dance Party, Microsoft AI for Horizons. So let's first of all you have to create an account if you don't have one, like this. And if you have an account in Google, Microsoft, or Facebook, you can create it. Actually, I have an account in Google, so I'm continuing with Google, and let's. So now I have signed in, and I've completed these much courses here. And if you want to see one of my apps, let's see, and you can understand how we have to do coding in this website. So I actually have created an app. So this is the text based, and this is the block based coding. So if you are, you just have to drag and drop. For example, I am dragging and dropping, and like this we can do. And if you run it, it will be like this. Run. First of all, you have to click on run, and you have to click on get started. I have done like this, and you have to enter your name, and
Okay.
and let's go to classes. The class set to these types of sounds in different things, and it comes, the lucky number comes just with your name and your class, division, and age are optional. And if you want to know your lucky color, this just click,
Awesome.
and sign color is my lucky color. So you can just try it by signing on to studio.co.org. So let's go to the next site, which is second best coding website, in which we can, sorry, third best coding website in which we can do. At number two stands a website called freecodecamp.org, and it's a very nice and free website. It is supported by Google, Microsoft, Apple, Spotify, and Amazon. And let's go to get started. And actually, sorry, I can't show you how to create an account in this website, as it's always remains signed in. Only if you create the browser cache, then only it gets signed out. So I completed this much on this website, and let's go to current challenge just to show you sample of how it looks like. And as of me, it has a very user friendly interface, and the thing is that it does not support block based coding. Actually, in HTML, block based coding is not necessary, and actually it's not there also. So let's see how to write something. Actually, I'll just write something over here. Yeah. So and we have to close this. So my name has come over here. You all can see. I just have selected it to show you, to highlight it. So it's a very nice and free website. So first of all, if you are a beginner, then you have to go with this website. And actually, I'm going to tell you another website, but it's very popular. But I've not used it so far. So you can try using it. So the website's name is w3schools.com. So in this website, for certificate you need to pay, but mm you can learn HTML and CSS and JavaScript and Java, Python, SQL, PHP, jQuery, Java, and everything you can learn over here. But I have not tried it, so you can try. But it also has a workspace for HTML nowadays. It's no one provides us workspace. So if you want to work for making an HTML project, then you can use W3 Schools workspace. So that's all for today, and stay tuned. And if you have come to my channel for the first time, just press the like button for this video and subscribe my channel. And bye bye for now.